All right, welcome back. We've got a crypto market update, and this is a little bit of an urgent update. I was meaning to do this video later on in the day, maybe even tomorrow, but we've got some movement, we've got some noise. So let's go over the news here. So Bitcoin is recovering and holding above 60K, and it's looking to push out of the current range that we've been in. I'm going to pull up the chart right now. My last crypto market update, I was mentioning how we're just chopping around in a range here, and we're hoping to break through the top of this range. So let me zoom out. We've had 70K as a resistance, and we've had 60K as a support. We've just been chopping sideways here for months. Once we blow through this 70K, see you at 100,000. So it looks like we're making a push to test that. Now, if you're a conservative trader or investor, you want to see it blow through here, retest, and then continue to go before you get involved. I've been long, I'm strong, and I've been adding through this consolidation on these dips. Things look really good. And one thing I'm also seeing here is the NASDAQ is at all-time highs, and Bitcoin is lagging. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to play catch up to the traditional equity market. So as the stock market was having this downturn, Bitcoin was chopping sideways. The stock market's recovered to all-time highs. Bitcoin is still sideways. Now I think it's Bitcoin's turn to catch up. So Bitcoin was pretty flat today. We've had a skyrocket candle here recently in all the cryptos, and that is because also this week we're going to get a decision on the Ethereum ETF. So the market was pricing in that this was not going to pass. There was some news recently that people are pricing in a 75% chance versus a 25% chance. So the odds are changing in favor of the ETF passing, and that's why we're seeing this pump here. So this is a live reaction. This is a nice pump. It's great to see. This definitely looks like momentum is coming back into the market. My concern is we've seen this before where false news comes out and then the SEC comes out and says, "Gotcha, bitch, not happening, decline," and then the market falls apart. So I need to hear it from the SEC. Excuse my language. This is a crypto video, so I'll be a little bit of a degenerate. But excuse my language there. But I need to hear it from the SEC. I need to hear that it's real before I think this pump holds. If it is real, this is just the beginning. You're going to see everything just shoot up. Maybe not everything, but you're going to see all the good coins shoot up, and you're going to see Bitcoin just make its next move up, and that's most likely to 100K plus. So it's pretty exciting if this is the case, but I'm not getting my hopes up because we're just one tweet away from the SEC to shoot this whole market right back down. So we have to wait and see. We have to get confirmation, and we need confirmation on the chart as well. We need to get over 70K and hold it, because right now we could just be right here again where we test and then we shoot way back down. We don't want to do that again. So we will need to see what the SEC has to say, but let's move on to other news. The memes are on watch. We've got GameStop last week made a pump. It's been fizzling out ever since, but it's getting the retail investors back involved into the stock market, and then eventually they're going to move back into the crypto market. So watch out on those memes. I do have a trade on in Dogecoin. Now, I expect that this could go to zero, but this is a trade based on human psychology. Last time GameStop ripped, when GameStop fizzled out, everyone went to Dogecoin, and then that thing went crazy. So I'm expecting another move like that to happen. I'm still watching the AI sector. I'm still involved there. We do have NVIDIA's earnings this week, so I'm watching the AI cryptos especially. NVIDIA does well, you're going to see that sector do well when it comes to crypto. NVIDIA does bad, you're going to see that sector do bad. So because I have a position, I'm going to be on watch. And as far as the crypto equities, they've had a nice pullback. I've been buying Coinbase and I've been buying Riot. I had a great entry on MicroStrategy, but I got stopped out last 2 weeks ago. But that thing's been ripping ever since. So I had the right idea. I just had the wrong timing. But I do think these crypto equities, if we get confirmation that Bitcoin reclaims 70K, I think there's a nice play there as well, because those have been lagging harder than the actual crypto market. So the stock market's at all-time highs, the crypto market's moving back up. Some of these equities are on their butt. So I think there could be an opportunity if this is the real deal, we get out of this range. So to get out of this range, we need the price action and we need this ETF nonsense to be resolved. And again, what I'm worried about here is the expectations were low. Now the expectations are raised, so we're being led up for a disappointment. Now, hopefully it goes through and then everyone's super happy, but because the odds have changed, people's expectations have changed, and so if it doesn't go through, boom, we'll see another sell-off. So again, long term, I think we see Bitcoin no matter what, 100K this year. Hopefully it's sooner than later. But emergency video, that's all I got for you. Crypto market update. Again, we got our action items: buy dips and long-term projects like Bitcoin. Limit your trading. Wait for Bitcoin strength to return to go heavy in alts. Depending on your risk tolerance, we're either there or we're getting close. Understand what you own. Don't get shaken out. Have a plan on taking profits. Buy the red candles, not the big green like today. If you've been sitting on the sideline, not the best time to get involved today. Wait for a red candle. And no leverage. Don't use leverage. And get your long-term cryptos off exchange in a cold wallet. So we've gone over that before. We'll go over the holdings. It's the same. I own my Bitcoin. I got my AI plays here. I had a great trade on Solana. I missed out on Beam. I missed out on IMX. And I am in Dogecoin right now. The themes I'm looking at is AI and gaming. And I'm waiting to hear the ETF news. And if it's a go, I'll be getting back into some gaming coins. So that's all I got for you. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. Crypto's risky. Every dollar you put into crypto, expect it to go to zero. But this is a great day, great pump. But don't get your hopes up. Let's wait for confirmation and be safe out there. That's all I got for you. Have a great day. Peace out.